Raghu has developed these products under the name of Metadichol, and I would like him to explain to us exactly what Metadichol is.
Then we chose the name initially Metadichol because the anagram of means methodical, so it works methodically in the body. So basically, Metadichol consists of the major ingredient is actually water. Over 98% is water. We have 0.5% of what we call as the sugarcane wax, not normally known as Policosanol. And we got vitamin E and a little bit of citric acid just to make preservative, because some countries demand that we use a preservative like citric acid. So we have that. It's a very small amount, 0.1%, so nothing major. And this is the stable formulation. And you can see here, this is my bottle of Metadichol. So if you see the bottle here, this is what it looks like. And all you have to do to use it is to take this cap off, and there's a small spray there, and spray it in your mouth. You can spray it anywhere in the body, in the hair, eyes, anywhere. It's very safe.
Beautiful.
So that's how it works. The spray works.
Beautiful. And has anyone shown any negative reactions to this? Is anyone allergic to these products?
You cannot be allergic to this product because this is a product of that every food that you eat contains this in one form or the other. So it's impossible to be allergic to it. So, for example, you may eat bread, you may eat pasta, you may eat broccoli, you may eat potatoes. It's right there. So it's ubiquitous in the food supply chain. And the problem is the amount is less or more depending on the level of processing. So you cannot be allergic to it. It's impossible.
Fantastic. And so what kind of benefits have you seen that this product brings?
The very first thing it does to people is, it works in the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the power plant of our body. This is the area in the cell where the power plant of the body is located and ATP is produced, and this powers the cells. So unless this is working efficiently, your body is not working, not getting the energy, then you're going to have a problem. So the first thing it does intuitively is fix the mitochondria. So we see here from people, hey, my energy level went up. It's because now the mitochondria is working. And then it's able to then supply this energy to the cells. Then the cells begin to work. You see, when you're sick, the body shuts down many biological processes because there's only so much energy that the mitochondria produces. A lot of important activities are curtailed or reduced. And once you start supplying the energy that the cells need, all this process is restored. Therefore, the body responds. And therefore, diseases that happen because the cells were not working properly disappear, because now they have the energy and the cells work to overcome and carry out all the process needed for the body to reach a level of homeostasis. That means, there is no inflammation in the body.
Thank you.